channel. So how are you all? So today in this video we are going to learn how to find cubes of two-digit numbers easily. Children, we have already learned in our previous video how to find squares of two-digit numbers easily. Hope you understood very clear. Okay? So today we are going to learn how to find cubes. This will save your time in your exams. Okay? So before we learn, we have to practice the cubes of single digit numbers. Okay, you have to by heart the cubes of these numbers. Okay? So now let's start. So for finding cubes, there are four types. The first type is the numbers starting with 1. Okay? Means 1, 2, 12, 12 cube, 13 cube, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. So all these numbers are starting with 1. How to find cubes of those numbers? Okay? So type 1 is numbers starting with 1. Means, example, I am taking 12. Okay? 12 cube. First, we have to write the number 1, 2. Okay? Starting from the left, I am writing the digits 1, 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. Okay? Now what we have to do? Leave the first and last digits. Now the second step is double of this digit, double of this number. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 4 is 8. Okay? First we are writing the number exactly 1, 2. After that 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. After that leave the first and last digits. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 4 is 8. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. Okay? So here 8 only is there. And here 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12. 1 is a carryover to here. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And here 1. So the cube of 12 is 1, 7, 2, 8. Got it? Are you clear? So let's do one more example. Okay? 15 cube. Because 13 cube is also easy like this. So I am telling about 15 cube. Got it? So first, what is the first step? We have to do 1, 5. 5 square is 25. And 5 cube is 125. After that, what we have to do? Leave the first and last numbers. And double of 5 is 10. And double of 25 is 50. Got it? Now, what we have to do? Add. So here 125, we have to write the last digit only. This 12 should be carried over to the next. Okay? Now 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 12, 87. Okay? So 87 means 7 we have to write. 8 is the carry over to the next. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23, 3 here, 2 is the carry. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So what is 15 cube? 3, 3, 7, 5. Hope you are very clear with these two examples. So what is this type 1? Starting with 1, the numbers starting with 1, how to find cubes. Okay, first we have to write the number and square of this number, cube of this number. After that, leave first and last numbers. The second number double is 4 and here 4 double is 8. Okay. After that, what is the next step? You have to add these two numbers. That's it. Adding you already know. Yes. So this is the easy way of finding cubes. Now let's know the type 2. Type 2 is the numbers ending with 1. Ending with 1 means 21, 31, 41, 51. So for those type of numbers, how to find cubes? Okay. So let's take example 21 whole cube. The process is same, but we have to start from the right hand side. Okay. See here 2, 1 is there. So I am starting from right hand side. So 1 I am writing first. 2 I am writing next. Okay. So starting from right hand side I am writing like this 1, 2. Now the process is same. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. So what is the next step? Leave the first and last numbers. Double of this 4 is 8 and double of this 2 is 4. Now after that add these two numbers. 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12. 1 is a carryover. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the cube of 21 is 9261. Got it? Now let's take one more example, that is 31 whole cube. So starting from the right hand side, 1, 3. 3 square is 9 and 3 cube is 27. And leave the first and last numbers. Double of 9 is 18 and double of 3 is 6. Now add these two numbers. 1, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 18 plus 9. How much? 27. Good. Next, 27 plus 2 is nothing but 29. There is no other number, so directly I have to write 29 here. So the answer is 29,791. Okay? Is this easy or not? So you have to observe the number, is it starting with 1 or ending with 1? Then you have to apply this logic. Okay? Now let's know the type 3. What is type 3 means? Same numbers. Same numbers means 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 like this. Okay? Same digit is repeating, right? So how to find cubes of these type of numbers? Okay? Let's know it. Let's know the type 3, that is the same numbers. Same numbers means 11, 22, 33, 44 like that. Okay? So how to do cubes of these type of numbers? Let's take an example 11 cube. Okay? So 1, 1, 11. So you have to take the cube of 1. 4 times you have to write. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Because 1 cube 1, I have to write 4 times. Okay? So and the process is same. Leave the first and last numbers. Double of 1 is 2 and double of 1 is again 2. After that you have to add 3. 1, 3, 3, 1 is the cube of 11. Is it simple or not? Very simple. Right? Now let's take a difficult one, 44 whole cube. So what cube I have to write here? 4 cube I have to write 4 times. Okay, what is 4 cube? 64. So 64, 64, 64, 64. Now leave the first and last numbers. Double of 64 is 128. Here also 128. After that we have to add. So here the last digit is 4 and 6 will be the carry over to this. Now let's take the one more example. 44 whole cube. So what cube I have to write here? 4 cube. 4 cube means how much? 64. I have to write 4 times. And after that leave first and last numbers and double of 64 is 128. Here also 128. After that you have to add. Here write the last digit 4 and 6 will be the carryover. 64 plus 6, 70. 70 plus 128, 198. So 19 you have to write here. 8 you should write here. Okay? So 128 plus 64, 192, 192 plus 19, 211. So 21 we should write here, 1 we should write here. Now 21 plus 64 is 85. So 85,184 is a cube of 44. Okay? This is a type 3. How to find cube of same numbers. Are you clear? So if you see this video many times, you will be very perfect in finding the cubes. Easy. Okay, now let's know about the type 4. Type 4 means different numbers. Different numbers means 24, 36, 42, like that. Okay? Now let's take example 24. So both digits are different. Okay? Not starting with 1, not ending with 1, and not same digit. So these are different or not? Yes. So 24 whole cube. So this is the type 4. Okay? The last type. So I hope everyone is clear about the first 3 types. This is the last method. So 24 whole cube, how to do? So this one is somewhat difficult. Please listen carefully. Okay? So now first digit is 2. 2 cube is what, dear? 2 cube is 8. 4 cube is what? 4 cube is 64. I am writing in the last. Now in the second and third places, how to write? 2 square is 4 and that 4 should be multiplied by the second digit. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Now in the third place, what to write? Now square of this second number. Square of 4 is 16 and 16 should be multiplied by the first digit. 4 square is 16. 16 twos are how much? 32. Listen again. The square of first digit and multiplied by the second digit. Square of first digit is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now square of second digit multiplied by the first digit. 4 square is 16. 16 twos are 32. Now again the process is same. Leave the first and last numbers and double of 16 is 32 and double of 32 is 64. Now add these numbers. Okay? How to add? The last digit is 4 and 6 will be the carryover. 64 plus 6 is 70. 70 plus 32 is 102. So 10 I am writing here. 2 I am writing here. Okay? Now 32 plus 16 how much? 48. 48 plus 10, 58. 5 here, 8 I am writing here. 8 plus 5 is nothing but 13. So the cube of 24 is 13,824. Okay? Let's do one more example. Yes. Now 32 whole cube. Both digits are different. So this is type 4. And how to do this? First you have to write 3 cube 27. And 2 cube in the last place 8. In the second and third places what to write? 3 square 9. 9 into 2 18. Now 2 square 4. 4 into 3 12. Now leave first and last numbers. 18. Double of 18 is 36. Double of 12 is 24. Now add these two numbers. 8 here. And this one 36. So 3 is the carryover. 6 we should write here. And now this one 36 plus 3 39. 39 plus 18 57. Now 27 plus 5, how much? 32. So 32,768 is the cube of 32. Got it? So overall there are 4 types. The first type is the number starting with 1. The second type is number ending with 1. The third type is same digits. Okay. Fourth type is different digits, different numbers. Okay. So hope you are very clear. See again and again. Then you will be perfect. No problem. And this will save your time in your exams. Okay children. See you in the next video. Please share this video and subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications of my videos. Okay. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye all of you.